Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody. Today guys, again we will take a look at the Great British Pound because situation is developing here and market is really showing some action that we can comment and to decide what to expect next, because as you remember we have the long-term potential trade in progress. This trade hasn't started yet, but the preliminary conditions have been accomplished on the monthly chart, and now we're just tracking the points where this trade could start. And the major question right now is whether it started at all or not. And we hope that since market still has chances to do this, we hope that this trade will start. And currently our major concern is to catch the right moment to take the position. Well, speaking about the euro currency, our yesterday expectation and tactical thoughts on the possible downward retracement has been accomplished. So if you take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, we have said yesterday that market probably will show retracement right to the crossing of the minor target of this ABC top pattern, and this trend line that has happened. Market has hit this area, and currently the euro currency is not very interesting for us, at least for me personally. It's most interesting the Great British Pound. So what we have on the daily chart, the major concern, as I said, whether the market will turn to the upside here or it will continue to move lower, because our thought that we have discussed in weekly research, we said that there's really chances that market could hit the 157.50 major monthly fib support, the 618 major monthly fib support, and if market will reach this area, this will not break the potential bread and butter buy trade. Because as we said, market should reach the significant fib support within the 3 closes below the monthly 3x3 moving average. But what fib support market should reach, there is no definition of that. So that could be the 38 fib support, 50 fib support, 618. It's not very important. The major condition is that this point should be reached within the 3 closes on the monthly chart. And October is the third final month when the market could do this. So now returning back to the daily analysis, we could say, let's take a look at the recent action. That's mostly the result of the negative data from the Germany and the slowdown on the inflation in China that has dropped to the 5 years lows, and that has invoked the significant concern on the perspective of the global economy growth. That has led to the plunge down on all major dollar-related currencies. So what we see here, first of all, we said that that market really could start move from this area, and we even have taken the long position here, because that also was significant fib support. That's 50%, 160 even, 50% fib support on the monthly chart. That is also, as you can see, monthly pivot support one. 159.90 area is the yearly pivot point, and that was also the daily oversold. As you can see, this taking this position in such strong support area was successful. Market has bounced up. That has led us to place stop to the break even, or even maybe some of you have taken profit on this retracement. That's also a good decision. But what we see right now, as you can see, market has shown really significant plunge down. This action was really fast, and that was a result of the negative bearish pressure that we have indicated yesterday. And yesterday's early morning we said that based on the market behavior, we mostly assume the downward breakout and taking out of these lows. By this action, we think that market really will continue move to the 1618 extension by some reasons. First reason is that market wasn't able to start action from the really rock hard support, and that was also the bounce up as a respect of this area and return right back down. Second reason why we think that market will still continue move lower is due to this really fast action. As the market shows the fast acceleration through the previously tested support area, it means that market will continue move lower. Also, you can see that market not at the daily oversold and market not at the some fib support right now. The next destination, the next support area will be right here. Also, guys, we could speak about yearly pivot point, because this is really a rather wide area around the yearly pivot point that could be treated still as the pivot. And currently we can't say that yearly pivot point has been broken yet. But recall what has happened around the yearly pivot point on the euro currency. Market has passed through for the 150 pips below the yearly pivot point and then returned right back down and shown the respect of this area. Since the Great British Pound has even more volatility than the euro currency, this is passing through for the same distance, approximately 150 pips, will not mean that yearly pivot point has been broken totally. That's why we do not see that this is really some, could say, important action for yearly pivot point. Anyway, other words, this allowable action, and it's not will be some extraordinary action if market will pass through a bit lower. That's why we think that by these reasons we think that this level could be reached within the nearest fix till the end of the October probably, or even earlier. But also we have some another reasons. So if you take a look at the forward time frame chart, let's see what will happen. First of all, we have this big butterfly. Okay, recall what we have said. Since market has accelerated right to the 127 extension of the butterfly, we said probably market will proceed to the 1618 target, if even some retracement will happen. And that's now is happening. So you can see this respect, return right back down. Market has just tested the weekly pivot point, return right back down, break through the weekly pivot support one. That's also the bearish sign that points on the possible further downward action on the coming week, on the next week. Okay. Finally, market has hit 127, and take a look. Here we have another smaller butterfly has appeared, and that's again the same scenario. So here acceleration to the 127 point, here again acceleration to the 127 point. But what is the interesting is that 1618 of the both butterflies coincides in the same area. In that area, it's from 157.55, 157.60, the area around major monthly fib support, 618 fib support. But that's not all, guys. Also we have this inner A, B, C, top, D, very harmonic pattern that has the same target, right at the 157.50 area. That's the another extension reasons why we think that market will continue move down. So that's been said, the conclusion is simple. The odds now mostly stands in favor of the downward continuation rather than immediate reversal, and that is based on two major moments. First of all, the too fast action recently. Second, existence of the multiple targets that stands around 157.50. And do not forget that market already has passed through this really significant support area that was around 59.80, 160 even area. So that's why our conclusion is that we probably should wait for reaching of the 157.50 area rather than searching to take in long position right now.